Okay, y'all, so this is the pineapple. This is a huge glass, so all I need is just that much. Hey y'all! I feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Okay, y'all, this is the fifth look, last and final. Last but not least, this is the last look of the house. Hey y'all! Oh my goodness, we're one subscriber away from 1K. I know we're gonna hit 1K today. Hey y'all! Oh my god! I'm so happy! Oh my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. Hey y'all. Yes, I'm back with another haul. And I'm trying a company that I never tried before. Yes, I'm trying Savage X Fenty by Rihanna, however you want to pronounce her name. Hey y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. My first pool day. Hey y'all! So I had the pleasure of visiting Pretty in Pink Places, the rival Instagram, TikTok, social media house that's all pink in Philadelphia, my hometown. So first we go in, as y'all can see, is all decked out with Halloween decorations and all that stuff. So this was the first room you see when you walk in. It had the pink teddy bear, the ring light, the Hello Gorgeous. Unfortunately, we couldn't use it because the Hello Gorgeous sign, I guess someone broke it. It wasn't, we weren't able to use that. It didn't light up. And then we go into the next room. It's so cute with the lips on the wall. Everything is pink, and the balloons is because it was a birthday celebration. Shout out to my friend April. It was for her cousin's birthday, so we had a ball. Now we head through the hallway. Y'all going to see the swing, the infamous swing. I couldn't wait to try that swing out. It goes up to 107 pounds, so we did not get on it. And that is the bathroom. Everything is pink. Yeah, we didn't get on the swing. We just posed next to it. That's the Halloween decorations. This is the living area slash kitchen. And that's the wall that says Pretty in Pink. Y'all will see it lit up as well. The good thing is we did get to see the sign lit up in the Pretty in Pink, just not the Hello Gorgeous. And I love that sign that says girls only. And then they have the Pretty in Pink hashtag. That's the bathroom. Shout out to April for getting that footage because I didn't get it. Get naked. And now this is the kitchen. I go back to the kitchen again. Everything, the appliances, everything is pink. And the appliances, the pots and stuff is just for show. You're not supposed to use it. There goes the Pretty in Pink wall lit up. So pretty. Just love pink. Everything screams pink. But the way she have it set up is just so cute. I didn't stay the night, but they stayed the night. I had to work. So yeah, I had to work the next day. So it was well worth it. We had a ball. And then we made tacos because it was filmed on a Tuesday. We were there on a Tuesday. And it was October 3rd. The Mean Girls scene, October 3rd. So it was just perfect. Pink, Mean Girls that we did what we needed to do.
On October 3rd, he asked me what day it was.
Hey, what day is it?
It's October 3rd. On October 3rd, he asked me what day it was.
Hey, what day is it?
It's October 3rd.
Hi, Barbie!
Hi, Ken. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
Hey y'all, give it a swirl, give it a swirl, give it a swirl, give it a swirl. Because it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, because it's too stinking cute.